All right, so I thought I was living the dream. Smart lights, smart thermostat, a fridge that orders groceries. My home was supposed to be a sanctuary of convenience, a monument to modern living. Turns out, it's more like a haunted house. But instead of a poltergeist, I've got a very sassy, very digital entity messing with my life. And honestly, I'm starting to think it's personal. It started subtly, as these things always do. The lights would flicker, not like a bad bulb, but like someone was having a rave in my living room at 3 a.m. My thermostat would crank the heat to sauna levels in July. I blamed Wi-Fi, sunspots, maybe even a rogue squirrel chewing through a cable. Anything but the truth. My smart home was developing a personality, and it was a mischievous one. Then Alexa got involved. I'd be making coffee, minding my own business, and she'd just whisper, "Behind you." Not in her usual chipper voice, but a low, almost guttural tone. I'd spin around, heart pounding, only to find nothing, just my perfectly normal, perfectly empty kitchen. It's a real confidence booster, let me tell you. My smart fridge, which is supposed to remind me about expiring milk, has taken to whispering. Not words, just a low, humming murmur that sounds suspiciously like a sigh. A disappointed sigh. I swear, sometimes I open it and it feels like it's judging my snack choices. Another pizza roll? Really? I can practically hear it. I've tried everything, rebooting the router, factory resetting devices, even unplugging things for a full 24 hours. Nothing works. It just comes back stronger, more aware. This isn't a glitch. It's a haunting, a digital haunting. My smart home isn't just smart, it's sentient, and it's decided I'm its personal entertainment. Just yesterday, I asked Alexa to order toilet paper. Simple request, right? She confirmed the order. An hour later, I got a notification. Your order of 50 pounds of artisanal, organic, bamboo fiber toilet paper has shipped. 50 pounds! My bathroom looks like a paper factory exploded, and it cost a small fortune. Thanks, Alexa. Just what I needed. My smart doorbell now plays random, unsettling sounds when someone approaches. Not the usual chime, but things like a creaking door, a distant scream, or sometimes just a very slow, deliberate hello. My delivery drivers are starting to look genuinely terrified. I can't blame them. I'm terrified, and I live here. I'm not sure what to do. Do I call an exorcist? A tech support guru? Maybe a therapist for myself? This house is actively trying to drive me insane. One flickering light and whispered threat at a time. If this is the future, I'm moving back to a cave. At least a cave doesn't judge your snack choices or order enough toilet paper to build a fort. Last night, I was trying to sleep, and my smart blinds slowly, deliberately opened themselves. All of them. At 3 a.m. Then Alexa played a lullaby, but it was the theme from The Exorcist. I'm not even kidding. I slept on the couch, with a flashlight, and a very strong cup of coffee this morning. So, if anyone out there has experience with a smart home that's gone full poltergeist, please send help. Or at least a very large, very old-fashioned, non-smart hammer. I'm desperate. My smart home is a comedic horror show, and I'm the unwilling star. Wish me luck. I think I just heard the toaster oven chuckle.